Hello, my name is Talaya Cooper. Today is Sunday, March 25th, 2018. I am doing the dissection of a chicken, which I have already begun. Here is the fat, the skin, I mean. There's not much fat present. I'm going to start the cut, the other part, to show more of the muscle. Trying very carefully not to cut the muscle because it is right after the skin. It's very slippery. Don't want to cut the muscle. Okay, so here is the muscle here, right after the skin. This redness here is a blood vessel. Nerves are also present, which are the white part of it. The tendon is the white area here, the white line. The tendon connects the muscle and bones. Now I'm going to cut a little bit more so I can get to the bone. This also here, the tip is the ball and socket joint located by the humerus. I'm going to crack this here so we can get to the bone marrow of the bone. We also have the radius here and the ulna. I'm going to crack the bone now. Located inside the bone is the bone marrow. It is the red part of the bone. The ligaments of the chicken are the white structures here that you can kind of see. Ligaments connect one bone to another at the end of the bone. At the end of the bone here, inside here, you have the cartilage. Cartilage reduces friction and protects the end of the bone when the joints move. So I have the blood vessel here. Okay. I also have more blood vessels here, which you can see a little bit better here. Also the tendon, which connects the muscle and bones. It's a little bit messy here. I am going to end it here, and I hope you enjoyed my dissection of a chicken along with the bone. Thank you.